This is a crappie. No, a really nice sized pumpkin seed. This thing is fat, thick, and meaty. Wow. What's up, everybody? I am on a central Minnesota lake. I have hopped around to about 10 different spots. I'm targeting sunfish and crappie today. So we're gonna get into some nice sized ones, hopefully. It's 3:30 right now. I had a virtual tournament this morning. So that tournament's over. So now I'm just focused on getting some nice sized fish for the evening bite here. Again, the sun will be setting in about an hour and a half. So we should get into some nice crappie on this lake and some nice sunfish too. So let's go ahead and jump in and let's have a little bit of fun today with some panfish. All right, we just dropped a minnow down on a dead stick. So we're gonna see what kind of action we can get. We'll see if we can get some crappies. Otherwise, I've seen a couple pike go through. I mean, why the heck not? Let's see what we can get into. If we start catching too many pike, I'll switch it up to a smaller bait. Let's see what's down there. Looks like we got some more fish coming in right now. I'm gonna get on my jigging rod. On this jigging rod, I've just got a small tungsten diamond, I think it's Scandia or something. I'll link it down below, with a wax worm on it. The live minnow down there usually pulls some of the fish in because they see that action and they potentially are thinking it's part of a school, so they school up right next to it, which is always a good thing. Plus, if there's predator fish coming through, if they school up with the smaller fish like the minnow that's down there, they feel safer because the predator fish will potentially have an easier meal going for that smaller fish. There we go, we got him that time. That's a good size gill, man. That's a good size one. Look at this fish. Check this thing out. That's a nice size bluegill right there. Whew, that's an 8-inch gill. Nice. Let her go. See you later, buddy. It's my go-to, like I said, for panfish. Great jig. They just suck this thing in. Even bluegills, they just sucked it in. Feels like a little bit bigger size one. Oh yeah. That's a better size gill. Oh, ho, 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 that's a pancake, buddy. That's a pancake. Look at this guy. Woohoo, buddy. That's a pancake. Woo. All right, let's get a measure on this guy. That's a 9-inch bluegill. 9-inch bluegill all day. That's a great fish. 9-inch bluegill, baby. Very nice. All right, nice bluegill, 9-incher. We're gonna let her go. Go on, buddy. Nice. Beautiful fish. That's what we're talking about. That's what this lake can produce here. We're gonna try to get into some more of them and then get into some crappie too. This is a crappie. No, a really nice sized pumpkin seed. This thing is fat. Wow. Look how pretty it is though. Wowzers. Very pretty fish. Look at that. I love the red in the gill there. Just beautiful. Look how thick it is. Just thick and meaty. Wow. All right, let's get a measure on it, huh? That back fin seen better days. That's a good 8-er. Nice. All right, buddy, we'll see you later. Wrong way. There you go. See ya. So in terms of where I am on this lake, there's a ton of weeds up to 10 feet deep out here on this lake. And I am just off the weed line. There's weeds again further out from me, but I'm kind of in a flat spot in between a couple of patches of big weeds. And the fish are loving it in here. So again, hole hopped a ton this morning, early afternoon here, to try to find a spot, and then I hit gold here. One of the things to know is when you're trying to find fish, especially when you're using the LiveScope and forward, so you go and drill on top of them, when they leave, because you're drilling the holes, they usually do come back. You just got to give them sometimes up to 20 minutes. It took 15 minutes in this spot for them to come back. And then the other thing is, obviously, if there's a pike wandering around in the area, even while I've been here, a pike will be close by. I can't see it, but then eventually I do. The fish scatter away, so it's like, oh, did the school of fish leave? No, they're just scared away temporarily, either from the noise or from a bigger fish, a predator fish. So something to keep in mind when you're looking around. If you find a spot with fish in it, you drill the holes, they're gone. Give it 20 minutes, sometimes even up to a half hour, just to see if they come back or produce the size that you're looking for. And then you always have the opportunity to hole hop after that. But I would have totally missed a spot if I wouldn't have given it up to 20 minutes. They came back around that 15-minute mark, so totally worth it. And these are some nice sized fish and pretty active down there. So. All right, let's keep it going, huh? Catching these gems off that same exact jig. The waxy tipped on it. I haven't switched to plastics. They haven't even been taking the waxies, which is good that they're not just nibbling at it. That's when you know you got a little bit better sized fish down there. Ooh, this feels like a better fish. Definitely nice crappie. Come on, calm down. There we go. Nice crappie, huh? Look at that crappie. That's a good size, probably 10 inch. And you can see the jig I'm using right there. That's how they hit them. They love them, that little diamond eye on the tip. Gotta love that thing. Let's get a quick measure. It might be a little smaller than 10. It's a good 9 3/4 fish. Nice. Nice crappie. We'll let her go. See you later. Just like that, gone. As we're getting into bluegill, pumpkin seed, and crappie, all kind of throughout this several hour period. Sun's just going down here in 6 minutes, so we should get into some hopefully even bigger crappie at that point. So let's keep her up. Hopefully that minnow does a little work for us too. It's a little bit nicer crappie. Oh, chunky monkey too. She's pretty thick. Careful, bud. That's a nice crappie. That's a good one. Look at how thick that guy is too. Nice. That'd be a good eater, but I'm not keeping any tonight. Not keeping any tonight. Okay, let's see how big you are. We're interested. It's almost a 10. 9 3/4. Almost a 10. Almost a 10, but she's thick. Letting them go. See you later. Somersaults. Wrong direction. Oh, come on. There's a lot of water in here, I know. There you go. See you later. Hello.
Hey, DNR, how you doing?
Pretty good, how are you?
Anything bite today?
Bunch of crappies right now.
You are, okay.
Yeah, tons of them. What's that?
Are you keeping any?
No, I'm not keeping any. Just catch and release. Doing a tournament, fish donkey tournament, so.
You are, okay.
Yeah, yep.
Any size to them at all? Do you have a license to fish?
I do. It's on my phone. Here, hold on.
Any tip-up zones at all?
Nope. Pull it up here. I gotta remember where I got it.
What
TNR.
tournament is it?
It's the, forget the name of it. Pirate Winter War.
Okay.
Here we go. This guy. I don't know what you need to see
That's
on
fine.
it.
Yep, just there you go, right there. Nope, you can zoom it. There you go.
Down here?
Just the whole thing. You can Sumo.
Oh.
There you go.
Yep.
And your name? Okay, well, good luck.
Yeah, thank you.
Take care.
Yes, you too. Have a good night. That was interesting. That was my first DNR check this year. Went well, went smooth, cooperate. He just asked to see if I was catching anything, if I was keeping anything, checked my license, pulled it up on my phone. I don't keep a paper copy. Real slick and seamless, so went well. We got the truck out here. It's snowing out right now, but we got the 2-man Otter Lodge pulling behind the truck. This is the setup for the day. You can see snow's coming down. I probably got about 3 or 4 more hours out here. So let's catch some fish. There we go. We got one on the hook. Crappie! Crappie are a blast in the glass to catch. What do we got? Just over 9. We'll let her go. See you later. Hey. That was a good fish bite there. Look at that, crappie. We're starting to get into them here. 9.5-inch crappie. Let her go to see another day. There you go. There we go. That's a better sized crappie right there. Take that any day. 9 3/4 inches, baby. Woo! Not keeping any today, otherwise that would be a good eater. Nice. This must be a nice crappie too. Aggressive one, look at that. Aggressive guy. Not too big, probably a 9-incher, but 9-inch crappie all day. See you later. Fish are coming back out again. Look at that. Nice. Boom! Hooked up Crappie City. Small guy. All right, that wasn't as exciting as I was hoping for it to be. We'll let him go. Boom! Oh, come on. Leave the heater alone. Not a super long one, but she's got some meat on the bones there. Meat on the bones. So 9 1/4. There we go. It's a good size one. Cowabunga! 9-inch crappie, letting her go. Get their attention and then start pulling up. Like that. Let him close in. Don't stop though. Let him pull it in. There we go. That's a good size one. This one looks long too. Ooh, this one's chunky too. Woo! Looks like a bigger one. Might be the biggest of the night. Nice! Crappie down. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Calm down. Oh yeah, over 10. 10 1/4. Biggest of the night so far. That's a 10 1/4 if I ever saw one. Very nice. Such a nice fish. 10 1/4, letting her go. See ya. Bye. So we continue to make it happen with this little jig guy. I'm telling you, it's the magic sauce. I got some waxies here that are in pretty rough shape, so I've just been picking through them. Probably dump them or sort through them the rest of the way when I get home tomorrow, but trying to use them up. Got the minnow down on the dead stick over there on a glow hook, but had nothing come through and take that yet. It looked like a pike or two maybe tried to, but nothing's taken it yet. So we'll see what we can do. We're at about almost 7 o'clock here, but the fish are still on fire. Like, look at this. Here we go, coming up, coming up. He's coming up. Is he gonna hit it? Right now. He didn't take it. Interesting. Let's see if we pull her up and we drop back down slowly to him. I wonder if he'll re-engage. We're behind him though now. What if we drop below him? And slowly come up. He's still going the other way. Looks like we got the interest of maybe another guy off the bottom area here. Let's see if we pull him up just a little bit. Got to jig a little bit, keep the action going so they're intrigued by it. There's something down in the bottom. Let's drop down to it. Grab some attention, pull up. All right, the one on the left is interested again. So we'll pull up a little bit and then we'll pause. Pull up. Competition's good, so this guy coming from the right is good. He's either gonna take it, which he just did. There we go. I pulled it out. I pulled it out of his mouth. He must have been small, or I didn't have him hooked all the way. That's probably my fault. I got excited about it, but let's go back down there again. And let's see, this is really cool how you can see it on the LiveScope and you can see the action of these fish and how many crappie are actually down there. Here we go, another one coming up. They like the crappies like the pull away and they like the drop down on the fall, but they don't like it, I found, falling towards them when they're trying to bite it. They like it pulling away or jiggling a little bit and staying steady. But see, I'm losing this one's attention, so I gotta drop down, get its attention. Once I have the attention, I can start pulling away a little bit again. I got the attention of the one on the right. He's a little bit away. You don't want to pull it too far away or they lose it, especially in the darker. Okay, so here he comes. So I'm just pulling up just a little bit. Just a little bit. Pause for the bite. Boom, hooked up. And it's been like that all night. Look at this. Just slabs, man. This has got to be another tenner. This has got to be another 10-inch crappie. Just a beaut. There's more down there. Let's get a quick measure on this guy and then we'll let it go. But geez, man, like, look at this thing. It's huge, huge. All right, all right. Yep, another 10, another 10. All right, let's let you go. Bye. Hooked up. Hooked up, buddy. Another thick one. Jeez, the bigger ones are coming out now. Can barely wrap my hand around it. Get that hook out of there. I wonder if this is getting tiring for you guys, all these slab crappie. What is it? Another 10-inch crappie. Jeez. Like, look at this. Another 10-inch crappie. These things are on fire, dude. This is awesome. All right, we'll let her go. Zoom. Gosh, this is fun. This is awesome. All right, about 8 p.m. right now. The bite has died off pretty well. It is snowing out, has been for about 4 hours. I'm on a lake that's not plowed to my spot where I'm at right now. So I gotta load all this stuff up. Hopefully I don't get stuck on the way back. Got a little bit of a journey ahead of me. So thank you so much for watching all the way till the end. Check out this other video on the screen. And until next time, take it easy.